See, the next point is a introduction to Z-table in Java. Introduction to Z-table in Java. In Java, Z-table is used to edit or display 2D data which consists of rows and columns. In Java, Z-table is used to edit or display 2D data which consists of rows and columns. It is almost similar to a spreadsheet that contains data in a tabular form. JTable can be created by initiating the class javax.swing.ztable. See, the syntax of ztable in Java. Syntax of ztable in Java. Ztable zt is equal to new ztable. Ztable zt is equal to new ztable. Then next, constructor of ztable in Java. Constructor of ztable in Java. Ztable in Java has three constructors. They are JTable. A new table will be created with empty cells. Second, JTable int_r, int c. A table will be created with the size as r into c. That is, the row is into columns. The next, ZTable object d, object r. Then next, a table will be created with the specified data where column describes the names of the column. Column describes the names of the columns. Then next, methods of ZTable in Java. The following are the most common methods of ZTable in Java. See, add column. Table column C. A column C will be added to the column array end of the ZTable column model. See, add column, table column C. A column C will be the added to the column array end of the ZTable column model. Then clear section. Clear section. The column and rows which are selected will be deselected. Then column added. Table column model event. When a column is added to the column model of the table, this method will be called. Then column moved. See, table column model event v. When a column reposition, this method will be called. Then next, introduction to JMenu. JMenu bar and JMenu items are a piece of Java Swing bundle. JMenu bar is an execution of a menu bar. The JMenu bar contains at least one JMenu object. When these objects are chosen, they show a pop-up demonstration. At least one JMenu items. It is essential speaks to a menu. It contains a few JMenu item object. See, likewise contains JMenu object or submenu. The menu class speaks to the drawdown menu, then which is sent from a menu bar. See the syntax. First, class declaration JMenu bar. Public class JMenu bar extend J component implements menu elements accessible. Then second, class declaration JMenu public class JMenu extend JMenu item implements then JMenu elements accessible. Then next, class declaration JMenu item public class JMenu extend abstract button implements accessible menu elements. Then next, the syntax to make a JMenu bar in Java Swing. JMenu bar name is equal to new JMenu bar. The syntax to make a JMenu bar at the highest point of the header set JMenu bar is equal to name. The syntax structure to make a different menu and add the menu to the JMenu bar. See, JMenu name is equal to new, JMenu menu name, then JMenu name, add JMenu name, Then next the syntax to make menu item j menu name is equal to name j menu item menu name. Then next introduction to Z-tree in Java. Introduction to Z-tree in Java. Z-tree is a concept used to Java Swing methodology. It is used to display hierarchical data which is in a particular order. It also has root node which is the most important node in the Java framework. Also the Z-tree concept is used to programming language wherever a hierarchy of data has to be displayed. There are children nodes are also shown. See, working of Z-tree in Java. There can be multiple nodes under a root node, also known as children node. They are also instance of JTable, JFile and JList. See, JTable is used to display a table of any size, while list gets a drop down list from which we can select an item and use it on in our display. There is also usage of JFrame in the Z-tree list which can be used to clearly and build a frame in the Java programming language. See the constructor. There are commonly three constructors which are present and which shows the J-tree as a class, and they are as follows. See, J-tree, then second J-tree object value, then third node root.